Hi, and thank you for checking out the Shed Yard. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to serve you and gain your trust. Today I'm going to give you a quick video of how to use our 3D customizer from our home page. Here you're going to choose your location. This is our main plant right here in Canyon City, Penrose, main store, so you tap on that. Here we have all our different styles of models. So we have our basic economy shed that has 2-foot center studs, 6'4" walls, and all the others have 16-inch center studs, 7'4" walls. Some of these models have porches. You can make modifications, change your colors, windows, etc. Today we're going to choose the A-frame. Choose your size that you're looking for. I'll choose the 10 by 12 A-frame. Here you can choose your siding colors. Trim colors, we have 18 paint colors to choose from. Roof options, we can also do metal, same price. Or the shingles where we have 8 colors. The door, you can move the door. If you want it on the far right of this side, you can do that. Or if you want it on this side, you can do that as well. The easiest way to tell if this door is center is right here to hit the plan and then double check, make sure this measurement and this measurement is the same. Left click right there and you can move the door 1 foot on the right, etc. Here you can also see the dimensions. This is overall height. Some of this might vary, but it gives you an idea of what it is. So inside wall height is 7'4". Total building height is 10'2". Window options. We have several different options. The cheapest here is going to be single pane aluminum frame windows. They do have grids. Then we have the vinyl windows, like a standard house window. We have some without grids or some with grids. The ones with grids are going to be a longer time frame for delivery. So expect longer time frames if you choose those. Here we have vinyl transom windows and then the single pane windows. You can move these windows and the others vertical. Door options, same thing. If you don't like this door and you would rather have one with transom window or maybe a standard house door, left click and drag into place. Interior options, we have shelving. So this is a 24-inch shelf. It's going to be 3 shelves high. Left click, drag, and then it's going to show up like this. You can also choose maybe half your building or something down that line. You could also do a loft. If you do the loft, you click and drag these 3 dots and it'll come out all the way. You could do loft all the way across if you like. You could do MDF or LP soffit panel interior. It's basically the same type of material as the exterior. It's going to be unfinished but pre-primed, MDF trim, and ready for paint. It does look good. We use it for some offices and miscellaneous finish buildings. We do have electrical option, and this is going to have a 30 amp breaker panel box that you'll have to hook up to. Exterior options. So you can add a dormer onto any one of these buildings. If you didn't choose one on the main page where the dormer is already on, you can choose one yourself. You can just left click, move it, put it anywhere on the roof you like. If you want to turn part of this into a chicken coop, we do have chicken coop boxes that you can put on the side of any of these sheds. These are the nesting boxes. We have the ramp options. It'll give you the door size. So for a 6-foot door, you would want to choose this one. Insulation, ceiling and wall. This is R13 bad insulation, like fiberglass insulation. Floor insulation is just a foam board. Structural. If your county requires permits for the size and they require 60 or 120 pound snow load, we do offer that. Standard is 40 pound and 100 mile an hour wind speed for the shed itself. Floorless 6x6 base. This is mostly if you're planning to turn this into an animal shelter and you want it to be floorless, we'll do a 6x6 base around the perimeter. Floorless for concrete, you'll choose this. If you have a concrete pad or you're planning to do a concrete pad, you would choose this option, and then we build this on site. On-site build, this is for any on-site build with a wood floor where we don't have access to get in with the truck and trailer. We do build on site. Minimum charge is $400. For this building itself, it would be $600. Discount option, you have the option to do unpainted. That would save you $151.74. In that case, it would be pre-primed and it would be ready to go for you to paint and do with it what you like. So that's a basic video on how to use the customizer. Thanks for checking us out. Feel free to give us a call, 719-590-7433 if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.